recognition of the very great debt this House owes its commander, General Cromwell, it is proposed to award him a pension of £3,000 a year, together with certain estates in the county of Cambridge. It is further proposed that the sum of £2,000...
Such low treachery is not worthy even of you, my Lord Manchester. Am I to believe my ears? Did this nation win a bloody civil war in order that the king should dictate the terms of peace?
I have already discussed the matter at great length with His Majesty.
You have discussed it? It is a matter for this House to discuss.
The king will not come to terms, sir, until the army stand down.
And the army will not stand down until the king comes to terms. So if the king will not talk to this House, then let the king talk to the army.
Out of the question.
The king would never agree.
Never. Parliament is behind us, sir, and on this occasion, we have the majority.
Sir Thomas Fairfax. I believe, my Lord Manchester, that now I have the majority.
This is dictatorship. It'll mean a new civil war.